What's up, everyone? How's it going? It's YourEverydayFoodie here, back with another mukbang. And today we have a place called Bonchon in front of us. So Bonchon is something that I knew of in New York. It's supposed to be another really good Korean fried chicken place, and it's finally here in Arizona. So I'm super pumped to try this out because the last time I had really good Korean fried chicken was in New York, but it was from a place called Mad for Chicken. And so I heard really good stuff about this, and this actually looks similar to Mad for Chicken and very authentic. So I'm excited to try this out. They have the soy garlic and the spicy version. So there's two mixed up in here. And then over here, I got tteokbokki, and it doesn't look as aesthetically pleasing, but it'll do. So I have this on the side because I haven't had this in a while. It has obviously the rice cakes. It has also the fish cakes, and it has two, I forget what they're called, seaweed wraps, something like that. I don't know what they're stuffed with, but they have seaweed wraps. So anyways, that is what we have, and let's just dig right in. Okay, so I want to take a bite of this. I've just been missing this. I should have asked them to have like extra cheese, or I should have had more cheese at home to just pile on here because I really wanted some good cheese pull and cheesiness. It's kind of spicy. Here's that little seaweed, deep fried seaweed wrap. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like just glass noodles in there. All right, what we came here for. Right here, I believe this is just a regular soy garlic. Oh, that crispy exterior. Not saucy, it's just perfectly glazed on there. Let's try this. Dude. Now that is the type of KFC, Korean fried chicken, that I want. This is very, very similar to what I had at Mad for Chicken. I will say the chicken quality, or the way it's made, I do like it better at Mad for Chicken, but the spicy one here is actually really spicy. Places normally over season this or overly sauce it to where it's just drenched and it gets soggy with the skin. Like, this truly looks double fried, super crispy, nicely coated, like basted on there, not just soaked. Oh, that is perfect. My new favorite go-to right here. This tteokbokki could definitely use a lot more cheese, but super good. Here's that spicy one. If you can tell, it's a little bit darker. I thought I'd never find a place similar to Mad for Chicken. This is the spot now. I feel bad for all the other places because this is really legit. And then I have some pickled radish down here. Before I forget, I want to try this spicy leg out right here. There we go. Ooh, this crunch is going to be fabulous. Not too much talking today, guys. I just I don't know. I'm just too into this food right now. If you can't tell. If you ever been to Bonchon before, let me know. Tell me how you liked it. This is solid. Oops. But this tteokbokki is super spicy, dude. Normally I eat like so much for my mukbangs, but I kind of want to cut down on the amount of food I'm eating, man. You probably haven't noticed it, but I've been gaining weight from all this eating. I mean, especially because I hadn't worked out for such a long time, and I was eating like this. I had gained some weight. And I was watching Huang Chan, and how I think it was for his Chinese New Year's feast. He was saying how he's cutting down eating because he was getting a lot of comments of people commenting like, "Oh my gosh, you're getting bigger" and stuff like that. So he's being more watchful of what he eats. And I think as mukbangers and things like that, it's very good to be very watchful of those things. So you are intaking a lot of food, a lot of calories in one sitting. So another thing too is that just recently, so my friend and I and a group of my friends are kind of having a bet, a fitness bet, and one of my best friends, is actually getting married next year. So we're trying to do like a bet, like before he gets married, have a set like maybe like weight or body percentage that we all need to be by that time, just to motivate us to get in shape for the wedding, and for him to get in shape for his own wedding as well. So if I want to get in shape for that, I can't be eating like this, right? Or I guess too much like this. Everything's good in portions, right? So you might see me eating a little bit less in these mukbangs. But it's so I can get in shape. For my own health, and also because the bet. But man, if I could eat like this all the time and not gain weight, Oh, that would be the life, man. That would be the life. A couple more in here. That's about it. The rest is just sauce. And I am calling it quits there. Save the sauce, mix it up with some rice. It'll be perfect. Save this because it's so good. I don't know how it's going to warm up, but flavor's great. That was Bonchon. I got the KFC or the Korean fried chicken, the soy garlic, and the spicy kind. And then I had also Tteokbokki, which I haven't had in a long time. And it was all so good. So if you enjoyed this mukbang, I know it's a little bit of a quieter one, but if you enjoyed this mukbang, please go down below and smash that thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel and have yet to subscribe, please also go down below if you enjoy content like this and hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon next to it to be notified when I'm posting my next video. And with that, everyone, as always, I hope all of you are having a wonderful day and a beautiful week. And I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace.